Hey, you'll get every chick out here if you pull one of these things. You go to any bar. Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
That's a good deal.
Yeah. Yeah, if you're ever looking for one.
Yeah. Oh, yes. I almost just got a Merle out in Fontana because I have
nice.
2. But they're not the 3 ones.
Yeah.
What are they called?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. Okay, I have your card. I'm obsessed. You need to do it. Frenchies are the best.
Yeah, no, and they're showstoppers. You take that guy anywhere.
Oh, yeah.
You know, like you're gonna have tons of attention on you.
I would literally just like.
I feel like I already get enough attention, so I don't want to draw more. So